Hello. So we're gonna be making a noisemaker, okay? At camps. Are you ready? This one says you are good enough. Okay? So just keep that in mind, okay? You need that. But no, this came off of my macaroni box. And I am a dork. And I want to do it so badly that I have had this for I can't even tell you how long, waiting to get some fucking bottle caps because I want to make a hippo music player, okay? I love this so much, and sometimes I can't speak when I'm concentrating. But I'm very excited about this. I'm very, very, very excited about this. And I needed something fun and goofy and something that will make me just cheer up today. I guess it wasn't a bad day, but like some shit went wrong, and so it's like I need something. And I'm still working on myself, and I still fail at certain things, but I'm still making strides in certain things, and stress can get a hold of you and just snag you up and just rattle-tattle you. So, find something, even if it's silly and goofy. Find something that makes you happy, even if it's a fucking cardboard box off of a macaroni. And just so you know, it's like that Annie's Organic or whatever it's called. And every single macaroni box, they have like a built-in play. They have one that I have put up, and it's like one of those thingies that you twist and it does the optical illusion. After I make this, I'll see if I can find it. But I even have another one that I'm excited to do. But I had this one like secured, like somewhere I could grab it really fast because I finally got the second bottle cap I needed like this week. So I was very, very excited to do it. And yeah. Also, I hear the crickets and they sound so freaking beautiful. And you know, I need to turn my TV off and my fan off more. Silence is very beautiful if you give it a chance. It can be very, very intimidating, but oh my god, it can be so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I think I cut the ass off just a little bit too big. But there's our hippo so far, okay? So this is the hard part because I'm really mad at man. not really bad at it, but like I'm bad at it, you know. Sorry. I make thinking noises sometimes, and I don't realize it until I actually make them. My apologies. Okay, so okay. So there we go. So once this gets going, you're going to be like, okay. So we'll do the bottom one of the "You Are Good Enough" one. And I hope the hot glue doesn't like fuck it up. Not hot glue. Whatever the fuck that's called. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is just put this right on top. Woohoo! That may have been too fucking much. No! Okay, close enough. Okay, close enough. We got it close enough. Comrades, we got it close enough. Close enough, comrades. Should be. Should be, maybe. Okay, we'll find out if I fucked up. If I fucked up, it's okay. You know why? Because this is for making memories and music. And I can just kind of do that and then just kind of recalculate it, maybe. Oh, I might have should have put it. Well, it looks so close to the front now. Okay, are you ready? My thing paused. Hey, Sheldon. Sheldon. Why? Okay, it paused. I don't know if this is like it doesn't have my face, like the screen froze. So yeah, I don't know how well that's gonna do. So I'm just going to hold it up. You can hear it. It made music. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. May have should have put it more down. Which also is just awkward. No, that's fine. Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop the recording because I don't even know if it finished recording. Once again, I will upload what I do have. It works. I'm very pleased. It's the cutest little thing. I do kind of wish I would have put the first one a little bit more back, but that's a-okay. I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you from the top of your head to the bottom of your toesies. Bye-bye.